Snoring is actually a symptom of a health condition known as sleep apnea, which is quite difficult to identify. For proper treatment of snoring problems, it is crucial to identify the difference between a snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. One way to treat the excessive snoring or sleep apnea is with the use of a dental device which is called as a mandibular advancement device. This appliance resembles a normal sports mouth guard that, when worn, brings the mandible forward and slightly down, thereby opening up the airway and making breathing easier. We at Dr. Dilip Dental Center are specialized in treating these obstructive sleep apneas and other sleep disorders.